Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see all media of a Telegram contact or group. Friends, if you want to find an image or video etc. sent to a particular contact or group, then you can very easily do it by just opening that particular contact. Like suppose I want to see all the media sent to this particular contact, then I just need to open this contact. Now here you need to press anywhere near the name. Now under media you will find all the images and videos sent to this particular contact and you can very easily view any particular image or video. Like this you can also see all the files sent to this contact and links and also voice messages. So friends, like this you can very easily see all the media files sent to a particular contact or group in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.